Most Toyota hybrid owners stay on top of basic maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and routine inspections. But one maintenance item that often gets overlooked is the inverter cooling system. Part of the reason this maintenance gets ignored is because most drivers never see the inverter working. There are no routine reminders about it during daily driving, and when everything is functioning properly, the system operates quietly in the background. Yet this cooling system helps protect one of the most important components in the hybrid powertrain. The inverter is responsible for converting power between the hybrid battery and the electric motors, and every time the vehicle is driven, it generates heat. What many owners do not realize is that Toyota hybrids have a dedicated cooling system specifically for the inverter. Its job is to keep temperatures under control and ensure the hybrid system operates properly. Without proper cooling, the inverter would be forced to operate under higher temperatures, which is exactly why Toyota designed a separate cooling circuit for this component. Keeping temperatures stable helps the inverter perform its job efficiently throughout the life of the vehicle. Over time, however, the coolant inside this system ages. As it gets older, its ability to protect against corrosion decreases, and cooling efficiency can gradually decline. Because this process happens slowly, many owners never notice a change. The vehicle may continue driving normally while the cooling system becomes less effective over the years. If the inverter begins to overheat, the vehicle may reduce power or even limit hybrid system operation in order to protect itself from damage. That is why inverter coolant service is an important maintenance item to discuss with your trusted Toyota technician, especially if you plan to keep your hybrid vehicle for many years. And while protecting the inverter is important, there is another component that can be even more sensitive to heat. In fact, a small cooling fan hidden near the hybrid battery can play a major role in determining how long that battery lasts. That brings us to the next maintenance mistake. The second Toyota hybrid maintenance mistake involves something most owners never think about: the hybrid battery cooling fan. This small fan can have a major impact on how long your hybrid battery lasts. Its job is to keep the high-voltage battery cool while the vehicle is operating. Without proper airflow, battery temperatures can rise, and heat is one of the biggest enemies of hybrid battery life. Over time, dust, lint, pet hair, and other debris can build up inside the cooling fan and its air passages. As that buildup increases, airflow decreases, making it harder for the system to remove heat from the battery. The problem is that many owners don't realize this is happening because there may be no obvious warning signs. The vehicle can continue driving normally while the battery operates at higher temperatures than intended. This is why inspecting and cleaning the battery cooling fan becomes increasingly important as the vehicle ages. A clean cooling system helps the battery operate at the proper temperature and can contribute to longer battery life. Keeping the cooling fan clean is only part of the equation. How the vehicle is used can also have a surprising impact on battery longevity. That brings us to the next maintenance mistake. The third Toyota hybrid maintenance mistake is skipping transaxle fluid inspections. One reason this gets overlooked is because Toyota hybrids do not use a conventional automatic transmission. Instead, they use a hybrid transaxle that combines electric motors and gears, all working together with a specialized fluid. Because the system operates differently from a traditional transmission, many owners assume there is nothing that needs to be checked. Some even believe the transaxle requires no attention at all during the life of the vehicle. However, the transaxle remains one of the most important components in the hybrid drivetrain. It plays a critical role in transferring power and helping the gasoline engine and electric motors work together efficiently. Inspecting the fluid can provide valuable information about the condition of the transaxle and its internal components. It can also help identify potential concerns before they become larger issues later in the vehicle's life. Whether or not the fluid should be replaced is something you should discuss with your trusted Toyota technician or mechanic. The important point is that the fluid should not simply be forgotten for the entire life of the vehicle. For owners who plan to keep their Toyota hybrid for hundreds of thousands of kilometers or miles, paying attention to the transaxle can help preserve the original hybrid drivetrain components for as long as possible. The next maintenance mistake involves a brake system component that most drivers never think about until a very expensive repair bill appears. The fourth Toyota hybrid maintenance mistake is ignoring the brake actuator. Many owners do not realize that the brake system in a Toyota hybrid works differently from the brake system in a conventional gasoline vehicle. That's because Toyota hybrids combine regenerative braking with traditional hydraulic braking. At the center of this system is the brake actuator, a critical component that helps manage braking performance and coordinate the transition between different braking functions. Because the system operates seamlessly during everyday driving, most owners rarely think about the brake actuator at all. As long as the vehicle stops normally, it is easy to assume everything is working exactly as it should. Now, every Toyota hybrid still uses conventional brake pads and brake rotors, but the brake actuator is what makes the hybrid braking system unique. Unlike routine brake maintenance, repairs involving the brake actuator can be extremely expensive. The challenge is that many owners focus on visible brake components while overlooking the parts working behind the scenes. Yet the brake actuator plays an important role in the overall operation of the hybrid braking system. That is why inspecting the brake actuator and its seals is worth discussing with your trusted Toyota technician, especially as the vehicle accumulates age and mileage. While brake actuator problems can be costly, there is one more maintenance item that many owners overlook completely. The problem is that cooling system issues often develop quietly, long before any warning light appears on the dashboard. That brings us to the final maintenance mistake. The fifth Toyota hybrid maintenance mistake is neglecting a complete hybrid cooling system inspection. One of the biggest challenges with cooling system problems is that they often do not begin with a warning light. Small issues can develop gradually and remain unnoticed for a long time. A minor seep, a developing leak, or another cooling system malfunction may not seem significant at first. However, if left unchecked, it can eventually contribute to overheating and place unnecessary stress on important hybrid components. This is why periodic cooling system inspections become more important as a Toyota hybrid accumulates years of ownership and higher mileage. Catching small problems early is often much easier than dealing with the consequences later. Looking at these 5 maintenance items as a whole, they are generally not things most owners need to worry about when the vehicle is still relatively new. But once a hybrid begins reaching higher mileage and has been on the road for several years, these inspections become much more valuable. If your goal is long-term ownership and you want to preserve the original hybrid components for as long as possible, these are the maintenance items worth discussing with a trusted Toyota technician. Taking care of them can help your Toyota hybrid deliver the reliability and longevity that these vehicles are known for. Those are the 5 Toyota hybrid maintenance mistakes that can potentially lead to expensive repairs if they are ignored for too long. The good news is that none of these items are particularly complicated. The challenge is that most hybrid owners never think about them until a problem develops. Toyota hybrids have earned a reputation for exceptional longevity, but that longevity depends on protecting the systems that make hybrid operation possible. Paying attention to these often overlooked areas can go a long way toward keeping your hybrid reliable for years to come.